officially launch this brilliant and location that we have here. So thank you for joining us this morning as we review the last 2 stars of our 2025 product lineup right here at the Stars and Mercedes-Benz Bazaar. As the year draws to a close, it's unbelievable, yeah? For me, in the summertime, it's already Christmas around the corner. It's really incredible to reflect how far we have come this year. Every moment has been filled with progress, momentum, and experiences that remind us why Mercedes-Benz continues to be the loved brand in Malaysia and across the world. From young professionals taking home their very first Mercedes-Benz to families who have journeyed with us across generations, our brand continues to stand for aspiration, excellence, innovation, and refined luxury. This year, we introduced 11 extraordinary vehicles, including the 2 we're proudly launching today. From the all-electric Mercedes-Maybach EQS SUV, the iconic G580 with EQ technology, the thrilling Mercedes AMG models, which you remember very well, like the GT63 4MATIC Plus Coupe, and the CLE 53 4MATIC Plus Coupe. The year 2025 has been a standout year. But what truly defined this year were the Mercedes moments we shared together. Pushing the limits on the racetrack, I know some of you were with us. Energizing the city with the Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week Kuala Lumpur. And celebrating the grand opening right here at the Stars and Mercedes-Benz Bazaar. We also deliver the unforgettable experiences for our customers. From AMG experience on ice to the prestigious Mercedes trophy. Each moment was bigger, bolder, and more inspiring than the last. All of this is anchored by one clear purpose, always putting our customers at the heart of everything we do. And today's launch builds on that. As Malaysia's automotive landscape evolves, we see more customers seeking SUVs that combine performance, versatility, space, comfort, and the freedom to go anywhere, anytime. This is why we're very proud to introduce the all-new Mercedes-Benz GLC 200 4MATIC and the all-new GLE 400E 4MATIC with EQ technology this morning. The GLC, as you know very well, has won the 2.6 million hearts of our customers worldwide, earning its place as one of our most successful SUVs with a blend of a comfort, safety, and all-terrain confidence. The GLE stands proudly beside it, having pioneered the premium SUV segment as the M-Class in 1997. Some of you probably can still remember the Jurassic Park, where we featured our M-Class, and evolving into the GLE in 2015. Today, it continues that legacy with a plug-in hybrid technology, generous space, and intelligent technologies, a meaningful step towards sustainable future. Together, they strengthen our SUV product portfolio and reaffirm our commitment to meeting the evolving needs of our customers. At Mercedes-Benz, we really take pride in offering an extensive range of products to our customers. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of our internal combustion engine models, the efficiency of our plug-in hybrids, or the cutting-edge technology of our all-electric vehicles. There is always the perfect Mercedes-Benz for every customer of ours. And as more customers transition to plug-in hybrids and all-electric models, we're committed to offer the true ease of ownership through our financial services arm. With the flexible options such as a finance care, leasing, and agility plus, which includes a guaranteed future value and mobility plus for an added peace of mind, we make the shift to innovative mobility seamless, accessible, and worry-free. So, ladies and gentlemen, it has been an extraordinary year for Mercedes-Benz Malaysia, and I can assure you the year ahead will be just as inspiring and exciting, if not more, so stay tuned with us.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the new Mercedes-Benz GLE 200 4MATIC. Athletic, adventurous, sensuous, and spacious, it's here and ready to elevate everyday journey.
Well, I'm really excited today because we have two very special additions to our SUV family that I would like to share with you. The Mercedes-Benz GLE 200 4MATIC and the Mercedes-Benz GLE 400e with EQ hybrid technology. Now, let's start with the GLC. The highly anticipated sibling is finally here. The GLC 200 complements the GLC 350e 4MATIC, bringing a sporty look and feel paired with impressive off-road capabilities. Well, the GLC 200 features a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with 48-volt mild hybrid technology and 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. It keeps everything nicely balanced, so whether you're navigating city roads or heading towards for a weekend getaway, the GLC always feels confident and composed. The agility control suspension ensures that the ride is both precise and comfortable, and safety features such as active lane keeping assist, blind spot assist, and active brake assist give you peace of mind wherever the road leads you. Now on the outside, the unmistakably sporty character is accentuated by the AMG line exterior. You'll notice the AMG front apron with sporty air intake, the chrome trim elements, and the diffuser look apron. Other highlights include the 20-inch AMG twin-spoke light alloy wheels, aluminium look running boards with rubber studs, radiator grille with AMG with Mercedes-Benz pattern, LED headlights with adaptive high beam assist, and surround lighting with projected Mercedes-Benz logo, giving stylish welcome every time you approach the vehicle. Step inside, and the AMG line interior blends luxury and sporty character, making a lasting impression. The Artico man-made leather interior in black, instrument panel and belt lines in Artico Nappa look leather, multifunction sports steering wheel in Nappa leather, and AMG sports pedal, sporty and refined. The well-known driver-focused cockpit with multiple displays integrated with MBUX infotainment system, including MBUX augmented reality navigation for intuitive guidance. While effortless tight space maneuvers thanks to 360-degree camera and active parking assist with Parktronic, while the transparent bonnet view enhances view on the off-road path. Now, let us move to the GLE. Well, this is an exciting moment for us. This is the first plug-in hybrid GLE, and it truly brings the best of all worlds. It delivers impressive efficiency on top of the GLE's already outstanding capability. The GLE 400e 4MATIC combines a 100 kilowatt synchronous electric motor with a refined 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and together it delivers a total system output of 280 kilowatts, which is equivalent to its ICE counterpart. And a whopping 650 Newton meters of torque, propelling the car from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 6.1 seconds up to a top speed of 210 kilometers an hour. With more than 100 kilometers of pure electric days, according to WLTP, and of course driving conditions, many daily trips can be done purely on electric power. And now, the GLE can even go fully electric on off-road terrain, thanks to its dedicated off-road program. Charging is also made simple with the 11 kilowatt onboard charger, while ride comfort is enhanced by the 4MATIC suspension package, an intelligent suspension system that constantly adapts to the road, the load, and driving style. Well, the GLE knows how to make an entrance. The AMG line exterior brings out its confident character. From the diamond grille with Mercedes-Benz Pekan in chrome, to the sculptured AMG front apron, side seals, and rear apron with diffuser light insert. The 21-inch AMG 5-twin spoke wheels and illuminated running board adds perfect finishing touches, while the panoramic sunroof invites more light and air into every journey. And up front, the multi-beam LED headlamps with adaptive high beam assist plus ensure excellent visibility across wide range of lighting conditions. Now, inside, the AMG line interior immediately sets the tone, mimicking the exceptional cabin quality of the GLE 450 4MATIC, now in a spacious 5-seat configuration. It is wrapped in article man-made leather and microcut, beautifully complemented by anthracite open-pore oak wood trim. The Napa leather multifunction sport steering wheel, flat bottom and perforated for grip, adds sporty touch together with brushed stainless steel AMG pedals. Other highlights include the Burmester 3D surround sound system, MBUX navigation premium with augmented reality, active parking assist with Parkronic, parking package with 360-degree camera, and transparent bonnet. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we've now explored the performance, the design, and technologies of both vehicles. I'm pleased to now announce the price of the two vehicles. The GLC 200 4MATIC is now available nationwide for 329,888 ringgit, while the GLE 400e 4MATIC with EQ technology is now available at just below 500,000 ringgit. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you again for joining us, and we look forward to sharing this exciting journey with you as always. Thank you very much.